My name is Mwesije Julius, Mr. Wildlife Uganda, and
Anati Sandra Munduru, Miss Conservation Uganda.
Today I'm going to talk about the African grey parrots. What a beautiful bird. This is the bird that is grey in color with a black beak and red tail. These birds are called the African grey parrots. They are facing a big threat of pet trade and also habitat destruction. These birds are facing such a challenge because they are able to mimic the sounds. These birds can mimic over 1,000 words, but they don't know the meaning of those words.
How can we conserve the African grey parrots? Let us visit UWEC, that is Uganda Wildlife Conservation Education Center here in Entebbe, to learn more about them. We can even volunteer so that we can get to engage together with the African grey parrots. Let us also plant more fruit trees. But
not all trees, because parrots don't eat most of the trees or most of the fruits like avocado, but they can eat like jambula and other simple fruits like palm seeds. So I believe if we plant more trees, we can create more habitat for the parrots, but also their food.
Let us be vigilant about these illegal practices of trafficking the African grey parrots and report such cases. Let us protect and conserve the wildlife, especially the African grey parrots.
Together, we can save the African grey parrot.